So today I'm have a PowerPoint of my DE&I assignment, psychological science in our society today. Our topic today is cyberbullying, presented by Fernan Chong and Cade. Oh, sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the general topic we have today is bullying. Some general definitions shown here. Bullying is to seek, harm, intimidate, or coerce somebody. Cyberbullying is very much the same thing. However, it is involved with the use of electronic communication. A bully is someone who habitually seeks to harm or intimidate those. Um, yes, and then here's a picture. Okay. The article we read today was Cyberbullying Causes, Effects, and Remedies. This was, the author was Diane L. Hoff and Sydney and Michelle. Okay, so some background info on this. Uh, some background info is by studying more incidents of cyberbullying, researchers researchers are able to gain more insight and understand the underlying causes, types of physiological effects, and remedies of cyberbullying. The data was gathered from students in one institution, a very small subject pool. There was only just a couple hundred students tested, so the information may or may not be valid as a complete study to be used to infer certain things because it's a very small sample size. Okay, so the article's purpose and hypothesis. The purpose of the article was to explore the causes of cyberbullying as well as the administrative response to incidents of cyberbullying involving students. The hypothesis of this article, it's more of like a research paper, but they did make a couple of claims. It's a research paper that has many general ideas. One claim was how they described how the percentage of cyber people that are affected by cyberbullying it increases every year, which is something that they sought to prove with this research. As well as this the as well as another purpose of this article was to help student administration better deal with cyberbullying as phones and social media become more and more involved in our lives every day. Okay, the article methods. So the article, it was a online survey that was conducted face to face. There was yes or no questions as well as open-ended questions for students to specifically write in their detailed experiences if they did to give people a for sure insight. With the survey, it was confidential, so these responses were genuine, no judgment, as well as detailed to describe several details that needed to be shown for the study. The study consisted of only 351 students that participated, and so it's a very small sample size for a research study. Only one. These students were pulled from only one institution, so not it wasn't a big variety of test subjects.
So this slide is about the article results and the conclusion. The results were that the findings of the experiment showed that most of the time cyberbullying emerges from relationship problems such as breakups or jealousy. Victims of cyberbullying are heavily affected in a negative way. And another finding was that reactions from other students, adults, and schools was minimal to non-existent and even sometimes inappropriate, showing that there is rarely outside help when it comes to cyberbullying. The conclusion of the article was that there needs to be more training among school leaders in order to act more effectively in cyberbullying cases. Cyberbullying was also constituted a form of, quote, real violence, and cyberbullying cases need more attention.
Okay, so this is Fernand's meme related to the topic. As you can see, it shows school bullies then, and it's a big guy bullying someone smaller than him. And then on the other side, you see school bullies now. And it's this dorky kid on the computer typing away something trash talk or something like that. You know? One's more physical and one's more. So the purpose of this meme is to show that school bullies now they will tend to do the most on social media and will be braver to say things on social media as opposed to in person. They could be very quiet in person, but on social media they could talk the most trash. I believe people are usually braver behind the screen, but this comes with you could get in serious trouble because things on the internet aren't easily deleted and they can be screenshotted and they will be attached to your name forever. But normal bullying is just as damaging to the individual as cyberbullying, as they both degrade the individual in different ways sometimes, but they are both very severe and very traumatizing.
My name is Cade and this is my meme. This meme is a picture from a scene of the movie Bird Box when a character played by Sandra Bullock was wearing a bandana over her eyes, meaning she couldn't see anything. And this represents that teachers often look away, figuratively, when they see bullying in the classroom. But of course, not all teachers do this, but some have just based off of my personal experience in grade school. And actually, this is backed up by the article we had done.